watching Makeshift Garage.
This is Bobby T, and you're watching Makeshift Garage. Woo!
You're watching Makeshift Garage.
I thought you were going to have to help for sure.
I was on my way.
I couldn't believe, I got to be honest with you, it must have been your energy, because I couldn't believe that I got it out. I was like, I'll never be able to get this out.
What's up, brother?
But Dallas,
How much? How you doing?
good,
Good to see you, bro.
Made it.
that thing made so much noise.
What's going on, brother?
It was like, you should have heard this thing. It was like, and I'm like, what the fuck? I thought it popped out of fifth gear, because sometimes it does that. So then I went to grab fourth, and it was still doing it. And I'm like, he goes, oh man, you blew the tranny. I'm like, no. And we go over to, we broke down right behind a breakdown guy who was fixing someone's truck. And I go, dude, what do you think I should do? He says, you probably should pull that freaking drive shaft out, man. I go, you don't think it's gonna leak all over? He goes, no, I don't think so. So then I looked at it, I'm like, oh man, I don't think I'm getting it out. I thought Buck's gonna have to help me, man. Never getting this thing out.
We loaded him up with tools and he was on his way.
The front got straps, right? So I busted them loose and I got it loose. I had to push the thing all the way to the top.
To get it out this way.
No, just to get to the bolt. Oh, so I had to roll it, lock it in gear, snap it one at a time, roll it, have him push it up, lock it in gear one at a time. And when you put it back together, you got to do the same thing because you can't put them U-joints in place.
When you put it back together, put it up on jack stands. That way you can turn it right there by hand.
Oh, yeah.
When you're in them predicaments, you got to make shift happen.
You got to make shift happen. This thing drives better than it ever drove in its whole life, so I don't think I even have to fix it right now.
Still got the JB weld on the manifold?
Oh, no, I replaced the manifold.
Nice.
Trunk open?
I was going to bring the screwdriver down with the old hammer trick and see if we can pry it open.
I think you want to go in straight. You know what? We don't need no stinking locks.
Don't worry about the screwdriver.
If I had a piece of wood, not that it matters.
Yeah, we were loaded up all the tools. We were coming for you guys.
Oh man, that's
we didn't want to see you stranded.
You have no idea how much I appreciate it because it made us feel secure. Like, all right, we can't fuck up too bad because they're coming.
Yep.
So the fact that I got a diesel with a four wheel is kind of cool, but it's not my gig. I never had one before. Yeah, of course I smashed my head because that's what I do. Inspection license, here you go. If you're in Pennsylvania, broskies, and you're around Newport, and your shit breaks down on the side of the road like mine, there's the guy you want to call. You want to get to Dallas. He'll come and get you off the road.
Fix you up.
Bring you back to the shop, fix you up. Hey.
I got my main mechanic right here, the Buckster.
Bucky's the man. You know what? If it's broken, he'll fix it. Believe me. Kind of all living the dream. Look at this place. They got how many acres? 50?
Yep, 50 acres.
50 acres. They got all these cars and barns and come on, that's the car dreamer's dream, bro. Woo! Let's get a screwdriver. There it is here, I think. Is that too fat or is that good? There we go. Look at that, and oh, I love these mirrors too. These are old school classics. Oh yeah, we're putting that right there. Yeah, baby. That's where it was.
Yeah, baby, yeah.
We're putting that shit right back where it was. Look at that.
Comes over right down out this side.
Where does it go? Out the
It
side.
comes over here, around, right here.
And goes straight down by the muffler. That's the way they created them in the old days. They put those the gas breathers right by the muffler. Only real men drove these cars.
That's right. How was you guys' trip other than the breaking down part?
It was pretty smooth. We left. We got up at 3:30. We were out the door by 4.
Hell yeah.
So it was smooth sailing until we broke down. We stopped a couple times, got piss breaks. Oh wow, this is what you're up against.
It's the
on
nut
the
behind
side.
it,
They're
so the
plastic.
plastic inside is spinning.
So you
Can you
should
get a straight screwdriver down there to hold it?
Well, we had one behind it. There's that piece.
You just have a hard time finding these trim.
I have a tool. I did bring some tools. I brought tools for you, but not for me. Here, this is a trim kit. It's actually for taking trim off.
I think if you slide that behind here, it'll pull the ears on the clips.
Right.
You don't have to unbolt the whole thing.
Probably, look. like this. See this tool here?
Yep.
Electrical. You push the thing in and pull the wire out.
Wire.
That's what they might be. I don't know.
That's a nice kit.
It's kind of cool. It's like 10 or 15 bucks. I was like, oh, I gotta have that. That's gotta fry. Oh yeah.
What do you think about it, Bobby?
She rotten.
Rotten?
But you know what? It's weight reduction, like you said.
Oh yeah.
I might just take a couple pieces of sheet metal and just screw it right over the
Screw it
front,
over it.
and then just take it to the track. I'm not even gonna, believe me, I'm not doing nothing, man. I'm gonna patina this thing.
Leave it the color it is.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna patina it, man. Definitely don't want no trim on there, though. Get that trim off.
You don't really see these 64s out here too much.
No. This is why, because they rot away.
Yep.
Look at this, 9-inch right there. Devin, that's going in your car. Look at that. What kind of gears you think are in there? We could spin them and figure it out.
Yep, spin them, figure it out. But that, you know how the 9 inches, the top's always flat?
Yeah.
Then the bottom 2 bolts you can't get out with a socket. You gotta take them out with a wrench.
Okay.
That's how I always do the 9 inches.
Okay.
And the front cover, he bolts on from the front. Hopefully that's just a slap on, bolt up in. You don't
Yeah.
have to really weld new mounts or new shock mounts on it.
No, I think we're good.
Good deal.
I think we're good. I think this will work.
I got a surprise for you guys too.
Let's see what he's got.
My dad, he raises quarter horses.
No kidding.
Yep.
Wow.
That's his passion.
That's what he loves.
Yep. I see these boys are really going through it.
Yeah, no, he's knocking it out.
These seats, a little bit of upholstery, but if you're drag racing it,
If you're dragging it,
yep.
I like to fill that hole with something.
Yeah.
God forbid something, the gas tank, something went wrong. Something just to give it a little bit of, but it doesn't have to be the seat. It could be anything. It's not going to be a project we do immediately because we got so much shit going on. So we'll stick it in the hole.
See you, bud.
See you later, man. Yeah, so that's all. Just in case I want to mess with it.
Want to load this up on the back of the truck, Bobby?
Yeah, let me open that up. Once we get a piece up, I'll jump up in the truck.
Yeah, go ahead.
You guys are really gonna just hustle it?
Manhandle it.
Get up there. Let's see if I can do that now. Let's see if the old man can do it. Oh, so you think you could pull that up there with your tractor?
Yeah, I got the backhoe tractor right there.
Punch a hole through the windshield and pick it up.
Yeah, we can do that. Before we load this up, I got 2 more things for you boys.
So let's go check it out.
Yeah.
Let's go do this.
Full tube chassis.
Nice.
I just got a power glide on it. I sent it to a body shop where they said they'll paint match it for me.
Oh,
And that's like a candy raspberry with sparkle in it.
nice.
It was $600 a pint.
A pint. $600 a pint. Holy mackerel. My buddy just bought a gallon and it was $1,000.
Yeah.
For a gallon of the paint that he wanted. It was burnt orange.
crazy.
Burnt orange, $1,000. So I'm like, damn. And then I looked at the color and I'm like, oh,
Yep.
he's right. Burnt orange is awesome. She looks beautiful.
It's a full Coker chassis, tube chassis car.
Wow.
Parachute.
This is gonna be nice. And what's gonna be the power plant?
I got a 413 small block I'm putting in it.
A 413 small block. Keep it light in the front.
2-speed power glide.
Boom.
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah, this thing should be a rocket ship.
See, we gotta rub elbows with these guys because we're learning stuff. Wow. Look at that.
It should be doing wheelies.
Yeah, she'll come off the ground, man. And when it comes back down, what makes you say it's gonna stay together?
I'll hurt itself.
Yeah.
When it's done, you'll have to come to the tractor.
Yeah.
You guys will have to come down and bring the jackass.
We'll have to bring, yeah.
Oh, have a good day.
I gotta get some nitrous on there or something though. It needs something more. But if you get good heads, you could add 200 horsepower to that car.
Yeah,
that's what I need. Open it up. Then put a shot of nitrous on that.
Oh, yeah.
I'll have 600 horsepower down the track.
I love the jackass. I love everything you guys have been doing to it.
Yeah, it's fun. You know, listen, it was nothing. It was a shell. So we started building it, right? And the idea was to make a car out of nothing. And that's what we did. We made a car out of nothing. It wasn't as fast as I wanted it to be. So we'll just keep going there and bettering it and breaking stuff and, you know, figuring stuff out. But it's fun. Our motto is get off the couch. Get out there. Get something done. Get something done, bro. Get off the couch. Don't let your old lady yell at you. Yo, man, because of you, you inspired me, man. I now got a car. I'm going to the track.
That's awesome.
And that's fun. It's just about inspiring people,
That's
man.
what it's all about.
Yeah.
Young kids out here watching what you do and they get inspired to do something
Yep.
That's what it's all about. Right here, I want to give these guys.
Uh-oh.
There's stainless steel headers, and I think they are for Ford because I put up a Chevy flange up to it.
Yep.
And it was longer. So I was thinking they're like a small block Ford header.
Yep. It
And
might be.
I know you guys run Ford, and they're a nice set of headers I'd like to throw into the deal for you.
Wow, man, that's awesome. That's going to be nice. We're going to use them up, bro. Look at those things. Those are nice stainless steel. And it looks like it is small block. Hey, just hook the motor mount. Oh, let me get this ready. Woo! Damn, Buck, you're trying to take your head off. Cut the other way. Yeah.
That's not good.
Working, man, mate.
Alright, you want to straighten this out a little bit?
Go ahead, it's gonna straighten itself out.
Good deal. How we look on your side, Bob? Alright, look.
Yeah, at least it's a chain in there.
Put my rear on the rear to that side and the hook to this side.
All right.
Take the whole rear of the car down.
All right.
Then it can't hop on you going up the road.
I'll get you the strap back. Let me see.
I ain't worried about the strap.
I think there's a chain in the front too. I'll throw that around something. I don't want to paint this ever. I might replace the fenders just so no one sticks their hand in there, but maybe not even. I might patch it up and just make it look okay, but I want to make it fast. I want to put something in it that runs. I really would like to drop it on a frame. That's fun, man.
Doors are shut. We're good
Doors
to go.
are shut.
Trunk shut.
All right, we're gonna have fun with it. We're gonna make it have fun. You know what we could do? We could literally cut a bunch of crap right out of the way and just put big fat tires on it. Yeah. Just cut the crap out of it. Leave the front because it has a nice shape. We're gonna get back, we'll get rid of the trailer. We've gotta go shopping for Mom, it's Mother's Day. Don't forget, guys, get your mom something. Whoo, sneaks up on you.
Is that the one within the pole barn?
Yeah.
Where they going with it?
We got all
Long
the
Island,
trim
New
off.
York.
Long Island, New York.
We're taking it down to the track.
You sure is everything we need out of it?
Yep.
If you can think of something else, let us know. We'll take it off.
If not, that in there.
Do it loud though. Like, yeah, do a practice one. Yeah, let it roll. Do a practice one.
3,
You're watching Makeshift Garage.
All right, now do it again. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
You're watching Makeshift Garage.
That's good. That's good. That's gonna come out good.
Awesome. Yeah, man. Thanks, Rob.
Always
Yes,
a good
sir.
time, man.
Always.
So if you like what you see, don't forget, subscribe and hit the little bell. Every time we put something up on YouTube, you'll get a notification.
No, it's just a universal.
But it's
But
split.
see, this and this right here is
Yeah.
one piece.
Oh.
It's solid steel. And then your universal goes in the here, and the ears here.
Wow.
In the middle, see the knuckle in there?
Yeah.
That should be solid. And then it would flex like this.
So when you buy a new, I might have to.
Wait,
get,
what do you got to get a new knuckle?
New dry shaft.
Get a new dry
Ooh.
shaft.
Because this from here to here is all one piece. That's what I was trying to tell you.
Oh.
On the phone. Remember I
yes.
said on the phone from here to here is all one piece.
Yes.
You can't unbolt it here. You can take the universal out here and here,
Yeah.
but it's still one piece in the middle here.
No matter what, it's
No
one
matter
piece.
what, it's one piece. There's a knuckle in the middle of it, but you can't never take it apart.
That's what broke.
Yeah, that's what came.
Because
the
it got, man, I'm telling you, it was so bad. It vibrated right through the whole truck, like
Yeah,
so
remember I
bad.
said on the phone when you unbolt
Yeah.
that you probably can't get that off to put back on there to bolt back on.
Right.
Because it's all one piece in the middle.
Yup. Oh, I definitely see that. She busted right off. So I need a new drive shaft if I want 4-wheel drive.
Yep.
Let's get it done.